Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to figure out how to use the Audible coupon. So they didn't make it very easy for us, but let's walk through this. We'll come over here to sign in and then enter either your email or your phone number. And then you'll type in your password and then click sign in. Should send us, okay. Sometimes it asks you for a code, which they will text to you or either email it to you. Okay, so see this $20 coupon balance that was received from Audible. Now, what we'll do, you have to already know kind of, I guess, the title of the book that you want. So we'll go and type that in. The book that I want is All Marketers Are Liars by Seth Godin. So we'll type that in. And then right here where it says buy for $12.14, we do not want to click that. We want to come down here and click add to cart. So when we click add to cart, we'll come up here to the right hand corner, click on our cart, and then that $20 promotional balance or the $20 coupon will be applied in the next step, and then we'll just go to checkout from there, and that will allow you to use your coupon balance, and that's it.